My name is Xuan. I'm from China, and I'm a graduate student in the Department of Entomology. Actually, my research is not a traditional entomology study. Like for when people talk about entomology, they talk about like pest control, like biological control, like how to kill the insects and protect the fruit and the crop, right? And that's traditional entomology. But my research is very basic ecological question. So I try to figure out how many, like the biodiversity of the ants in the coastal ecosystem, and what is the distribution patterns, and how they change from the seashore to the inland. So it's more like ecological question, ecological study. Okay, my research is very like basic ecological questions. So the thing I can think about for application is probably just like provide the basic data for future research.
Okay.
Like for example, I collect all the data in the coastal areas, and coastal areas is like a hot topic for disturbance. So we build a road, build a city, people like keep moving in the coastal areas, and that causes lots of disturbance. And how does disturbance influence the ecosystem? I mean, we do lots of research, but that's not enough. So my research is kind of like collect all the data, and in the future, when the disturbance happened, we can compare the data before and after the disturbance and figure out how the disturbance influences the ecosystem.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you one example. One of my research sites is the coastal dunes. So I collect the data on the coastal dunes to try to figure out how many species live there and what is the correlation between the ants and the plants. And in Louisiana, the dune is not that very good, and the people, for example, destroy the dunes, like on purpose or unpurpose, and especially on ground air. And later, people find out, okay, we need the dunes to protect the inland system, like the marsh or the inland, right? So they rebuild the dunes. When they rebuild the dunes, they put lots of sand on the beach areas, and they plant the plants. So the plants are supposed to hold the sand, and the dunes become bigger and bigger, right? And the question is, people use the plants, and in my opinion, didn't do a very good job because they plant the plants very close to each other. At first, sounds okay, sounds perfect. The plants can hold the sand, but later, when the plants start to grow, they form a very, very density canopy. So you can see lots of plants on the dunes, but that is not nature condition. The nature